Welcome to mycadsite.com, and this video tutorial is going to show how sheet sets get created. And what a sheet set is a series of layouts that you can package together and send out to somebody else to view, especially if they don't have AutoCAD, so that you can show progress or final drawings of a large project that might span across several different drawings. So the process is quite easy, but like anything in AutoCAD, once you've done it a few times and see how it's done, it's pretty easy to do. Then it's just a matter of remembering how it's done later on. So you can either just type in sheet set, press enter, or you can go up to view, palettes, and open up the sheet set manager. Both things will do the same thing. So what we're going to do instead of opening is start a new sheet set. And I'm going to use it off of existing drawings, and I'm going to use some sample drawings that AutoCAD installs. And I'm just going to call this sheet set for video, and a description, this is just for the video tutorial. And like anything in AutoCAD where you have a chance to add a description, make sure you add something useful, because 5 years later I might not remember what this is for, and especially if you're working with other people in a company, you might not remember what it's for, and all of a sudden everyone needs to know what this sheet set's all about. So make sure you add a description. There's a button down here for sheet set properties, and this gives you a little bit more. You can add in the project number. This is actually for 4-10, and I'm just going to save that. It's not needed, but once again, you can always add more information. So I'm going to hit next, and now this is where I tell the sheet set manager which files I want to include. So what I've got here is the standard path that takes me down through program files, AutoCAD, samples, sheet sets, architectural. So I'll just click on architectural, and this will bring in any folders below it as well. So I'm going to press OK, and you'll see that there's quite a few down here as well. So with that, I've got everything set. Now I just need, there's import options. I don't really need subsets, for this. So I'm just going to cancel out of that and go to next. This gives me all the layouts. This shows me all the information, and I'm good to go. So I'm just going to press finish. And now here's my sheet set. So as I mouse over each one, so I'm just going to double click on this one and close my manager, and you can see that it's just like opening up a new drawing straight into the layout tab. So with that, I'm just going to go back to my sheet set manager, and you've got views you can look at as well. If you want, I can just go directly to this view, so it takes me right in there, as you can see, into the door types. And I'm pretty much set to go. Model views as well, I don't really need those because I'm really just concentrating on getting layouts ready. So I need to go back into my sheet list up here, and then I can publish and actually share what I've created here. So I'm going to publish to DWFX, and then later we'll view this on the web. So I'm going to save this just to my desktop, and we're good to go. So that's it. I've created one, and it's telling me, okay, you're going on in the background, so I don't need to worry about anything. And it'll tell me when it's finished creating. So with that done, I'm just going to close this down, and that's pretty much it. The next thing I'll do, rather than wait for it to render everything, is I am just going to open up the online viewer, and you can see that I've got all my drawings here available to put online and share with people. Go in and move around the drawing, look at dimensions, and this is just like having a sheet of hard copies printed out and available for your client or a boss or a project manager, so they can just look at the whole scope of the project in one easy place. So that's pretty much it for sheet sets. You may not use them a lot. I haven't personally used them very often at all, but it's very important to know that these exist and how to do them, because you'll never know when you're going to get asked to come up with one. So anyway, thanks for watching. This has been Art at mycadsite.com. I provide a completely free AutoCAD course online. I'll take you from the very basics, from looking at the screen and drawing a line, right up to 3D rendering. So check it out, and thanks for watching.